Hi students, once again I welcome you all to my channel Abrar sir classes. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರಿನ ಗ್ಯಾಲನೋಮೀಟರ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣಪ್ಪ. Now this is part 3. Okay, let us solve the problems in just 45 seconds. I will teach you how to solve the problems in just 45 seconds. What is this problem? This is saying a galvanometer of resistance 50 ohm. Okay, we have a galvanometer of resistance. Okay, 50 ohm. Rg is equal to 50 ohm. Okay, is connected to a battery 3 volts along with a resistance. Okay, one resistance is there 2950. Okay, okay, is connected to a battery. Is connected to a battery of 3 volts. Right. Okay, plus minus. Okay, 3 volt battery. 2950 is the resistance. R is equal to so much. Now a full scale deflection of 30 divisions. Okay, 30 divisions andre let us take I is equal to current per division. Current per division ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ okay ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, this will be 30i. Okay, 30 into I. Right. Now what is the voltage across G and across R will be equal to the sum of this one only. So I can use 3 is equal to, okay, the voltage across this battery is equal to 30 into I into 50 Rg plus 30I into 2950. Right. Okay. A full scale deflection of 30 units is obtained in the galvanometer. Now next, in order to reduce this deflection to 20 division, okay, again the same circuit you have to draw. G will be as it is. This is the galvanometer connected, and how much is the Rg? Rg now also 50 ohm. Okay, therefore series resistance should be how much the value of R here that you have to connect so that it gives how many deflection. I mean deflection of 20 division. Deflection of 20 division. Okay, I have taken I is equal to current per division. Therefore, the current galvanometer current will be how much? 20 into I. Here galvanometer's current is 30 into I. Right? This is plus, this is minus. Voltage is same. What is the value of R? Okay. Now again I can write this total voltage 3 is equal to how much? 20 into I into galvanometer resistance is 50 itself plus of 20 into I into R that we do not know. Okay, I can equate these two equations now. Call this as equation 1 and this equation 2. You can calculate the value of R from this one. Okay, now 30 into I into 50. Okay, from first equation plus 30 into I into 2950, that is equal to, okay, 20 into I into 50 plus 20 into I into R. Now you have to calculate this unknown R. You can calculate very easily. Just try to multiply this one, okay, and bring this here. I can 30 into I minus 20I into 50. I am bringing this one here. Again, this is plus 30I into 2950. Right. And R is equal to, I can write R is equal to, and divided by 20I. Divided by 20I. Now, okay, that is equal to 1500I minus 1000I plus of, now you have to multiply 30 and 2950, okay, plus of 88500I divided by 20I. Okay, R will be equal to, now you subtract this one, 1500 minus 1000, and then this plus 88500. Okay, that is 89000 by I by 20I. I gets cancelled, that is equal to 89000 by 20 will be equal to 4450 ohm. Okay, hope you understood. This problem is very easy, provided you should know how to write this one. Okay, how to take the galvanometer current. Okay, that is very important. Okay, and you have to just equate this and this one, this and this one. Okay, and equate equations 1 and 2, you get the answer. Hope you understood. 4450 is the right answer. Oh, next part ನೋಡೋಣಪ್ಪ. A galvanometer having a coil resistance of 60 ohm ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಪ್ಪ. Okay, 60 ohm ಅಂತೆ RG. Okay, 60 ohm gives a full cell deflection when a current of, okay, it gives a galvanometer current IG. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಪ್ಪ? 1 ampere. Right. Okay, passes through it. It's converted into an ammeter to read current. Oh, this is very easy. Okay, this current is I is equal to 5 amperes. Okay, how to convert this into an ammeter? Current is shunt. Okay, and how much current is flowing here? 5 minus 1 andre 4 amperes will be current. 4 amperes. Now equate these two. Okay, Ig into Rg. Okay, Ig into Rg, 1 into 60. But you know, 1 into 60 is equal to S into 4. S is equal to 60 by 400 15 ohm. 15 ohm we are connecting in parallel. Small resistance in parallel with the galvanometer. 15 ohm in parallel. Hope you understood. Next problem ನೋಡೋಣಪ್ಪ. What is this? A galvanometer of resistance G is shunted. Resistance G ನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, G ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Is shunted by resistance S ohm. Is shunted by resistance S ohm. Right. Right. Okay. Now what he is asking? The resistance to be put in series with the galvanometer. A galvanometer of resistance G is shunted by resistance S ohm to keep the main current in the circuit unchanged. Main current, that is very, very important. Idu G andre idu current I. Alunappa. Now this is, okay, I. Okay, I will be coming here. This will be how much? This will be Ig, and this will be how much? I minus Ig, that already we know. Okay, now that is one thing. To make this, to keep the main current in the circuit uncharged, no, unchanged. Okay, unchanged. Okay, unchanged. The resistance to put in series with the galvanometer. Okay, to keep the main current in the circuit unchanged. This main current, okay, this should not get changed. Okay, unchanged. The resistance to be put in series with the galvanometer. What resistance must be put in series with the galvanometer? Okay, how much is this one? Now what you have to do? This should not get changed. Therefore G should be equal to how much of R? G should be equal to, these two are in parallel. Gs divided by G plus S. This main current should not be changed. Therefore G will be equal, this G will be equal to what? This is, these two are in parallel, and again plus R. Okay, he is asking this R what should be connected in series so that the main current in the circuit is unchanged. Therefore what I have to, how to calculate, simplify R. What I will do, R is equal to, okay, G minus of Gs divided by G plus S ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವೇನಪ್ಪ. Therefore R is equal to G plus S LCM ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ, ಇದು G square plus gs minus gs ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, these two gets cancelled. I'll be getting g square divided by g plus s. G plus s. Where is the answer? R is equal to g square divided by s plus g. G square divided by s plus g. So right answer. G square divided by s plus g is the right answer. Hope you understood this. Okay. Here the main current should not be unchanged. Unchanged. Okay. You make this correction here. This should be unchanged. Next problem ನೋಡೋಣಪ್ಪ. Current sensitivity. Okay. Current sensitivity of a moving coil galvanometer ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Current sensitivity they have given 5 divisions, okay, per milliampere. Okay. Now, and its voltage sensitivity. Voltage sensitivity is how much they have given? Angular deflection per unit voltage. Okay, that is 20 divisions per the resistance of the galvanometer. Okay, always the resistance of the galvanometer Rg ತಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, Rg ತಕೊಳ್ಳಿ will be equal to Cs by Vs. This you have to remember. Current sensitivity by voltage sensitivity. Current sensitivity ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆಪ್ಪ? 5. Okay, divided by how much is the voltage sensitivity? 20. But milli ಇದೆ, per milli ಅಂದರೆ into this will come in the numerator. Okay, ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? 5000 by 20. It is just cancel. That is equal to 250 ohm is the resistance of the galvanometer. But how come we got this answer? Okay. How to remember G is equal to, that is galvanometer resistance is equal to current sensitivity, voltage sensitivity. We know by Ohm's law what is Vg. Vg is equal to Ig into G or R. Correct? No, because V is equal to according to Ohm's law, V is equal to I into R. Right? Okay. In the same way, I have taken galvanometer resistance. What is Vg? What is meant by Vg? Vg is nothing but galvanometer voltage. That is full scale deflection. Correct? No, that is divided by what? N into 1 by Vs. And what is this Ig? Ig is nothing but full scale deflection current or galvanometer current. It is given by N into 1 by Cs. Okay, and into G is there here. Where N is what? Total number of divisions. Total number of divisions. Okay. What is meant by voltage? What is meant by voltage sensitivity? Voltage sensitivity is nothing but deflection per unit voltage. Deflection per unit. N gets cancelled. Okay. N gets cancelled. You will get G is equal to what? Cs by Vs. You have to remember this. Okay. Vg is nothing but what? Vg is nothing but galvanometer voltage, full scale deflection voltage, and that is given by what? Total number of divisions into voltage per division. Vg is given by what? Total number of divisions. Okay, Vg is given by total number of divisions into what? Into voltage per division. Into voltage per division. What is voltage per division is given by? Voltage per division is given by what? Reciprocal of voltage sensitivity. What is voltage sensitivity? Voltage sensitivity is deflection per unit voltage. Okay. Similarly, what is Ig? Ig is equal to total number of divisions into current per division. Current per division appa. Okay. Now, what is Ig is equal to N into reciprocal. What is this one? Deflection per unit current is nothing but what? Current sensitivity. But this is into 1 by current sensitivity. Therefore, here G is equal to Cs by Vs. If you remember this directly in one step, you can do this sum. Hope you understood. Okay, if you like this video, kindly share it with your friends. Subscribe for my YouTube channel to see videos of interesting chapters and interesting topics and interesting problems also. Like it and ask doubts in the comment box. Thank you one and all.